Bonnie, tapos ito po. Di ba? Daming stoplight yan. Ibubuluin natin stoplight. Yan pa lang sa... Rizal, isang stoplight na. Jupiter, pangalawa. Wendy, ang tatlo. Ito pa yun. Pagdating sa paseo, 4. Pag-5.
Kita naman tayo bukas. Maghahanda kami para sa aming presentation.
Okay, thank you, friend. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.
Hi, Tata Geronimo po. People always ask me, how do you keep your hair so beautiful? Eh, pare-pareho naman tayong exposed to the sun and heat. Pare-pareho tayong exposed to the pollution. I use the new Best Ever Sunsilk. It's co-created with 7 of the world's best hair experts for Filipino hair. Kaya girls, pare-pareho na tayong mag-sunsilk. Hair natin, pare-pareho may super beautiful, super soft, super smooth. Best Ever versus Premium Sunsilk formulation.
Ilag lang ako yung pinto at may nagbubukas ng mga bata eh. Nakakablat sila kung anong gusto nila makablat eh.
Oh no!